We are making Singaporean rice today, so let me just show you guys our first step. It will be we put a garlic and a ginger in oil, and then we put chicken, mix that up, and we're just gonna wait for the chicken to be cooked, like partially cooked, and then we will be adding the rest of the seasonings in it. We'll show you guys the next step, but till then, wait. So chicken is cooked, and we're just waiting for the water to, basically we're drying the chicken, so it's on high flame, and then once it's done we will be adding the seasonings. I did also put in rice cooker. I'm making rice, so we just gotta make sure the rice is fully cooked. And then on other pan I have the chicken is already dried. As you guys can see, I will be adding soya sauce, hot sauce, ketchup, black pepper in it, and once I add that I will show you guys, and then we will mix it. So I added the sauces. It's ketchup, hot sauce, soya sauce, and black peppers, and I mixed it up. The flame is off. So once mixed, I already have my bell pepper cut, so I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna add these. So this is red and green, that's what we like. You guys can add whatever veggies you guys want to add in this, and then we will add these, mix it up, and just turn the stove on low and just heat them up. We don't want to change the color. So I will add these and I'll mix them up. So for Singaporean rice, of course we need the rice. We made these rice in the rice cooker. You need, of course, rice, water, and then some cumin, zira, and then boil that with a little oil. And then this will be our first layer. And I also did egg noodles in turmeric water. So as you can see, I dished out the rice, and then now these are the egg noodles. We boil them with the turmeric water, and then just boil them and then rinse it out with the cold water so they don't stick together, and then these will go on top of my rice. Guess what? My second layer is done. Now the fun part, we're gonna layer it up with mayo, and that would be our third layer. So the first one was rice, then the egg noodles, and now the mayo. So let's do the mayo I use to put my third layer. So again, the first layer was rice, then the egg noodles, and then mayo, and now we're gonna put chicken on top of this with bell pepper, which is shimmer. This looks so good, like I can't wait to eat. But this is our third and final layer with chicken and some bell pepper. Again, you guys can add whatever you like, bell pepper, capsicum, or any other veggies that you want to add. We prefer these, so that's the only veggie we're gonna get, or you can just make chicken. But this recipe is really good. You guys gotta try it. And I am going to do a tadka, which is garlic, and then I'm gonna add it in there, and then I'll show you guys. We're just gonna do like golden brown color, and then add green peppers, like the spicy green pepper, jalapenos, or sabaz mirchi in Urdu, and then we're gonna give them a slight-ish color, and then we will add them on top of this, and I will show you guys that as well, but stay tuned. This is how the tadka looks. I made the garlic golden, and then I add my green peppers in there, the spicy ones, sabaz mirchi, and then I am gonna add this on top of my dish. Okay. Our Singaporean rice are ready, and again I'm using the aluminum foil tray because this food is going to someone. Now you guys just gotta figure out who, and that's how they look. Here is the final Singaporean rice. Can't wait to eat these.
So we had to pack some for my sister, and this is what we're gonna enjoy right now. But if you try this recipe, let us know in the comments below how you like it. Bye.